Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix VLC automatically resizing as soon as videos start playing in Windows, Mac and Linux PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me open the VLC media player and say let me try to play one video. So now you can see here it's auto resizing. So in order to fix this issue, what you need to do is just click on this tools. Now click on this preference. Now select this interface, and now here you can see one option, resize interface to video size. So by default this option will be turned on, so you can just disable it and just click on this save. And now just close this VLC media player and let us reopen the VLC media player. And let me try to play the video again. Now you can see it's not auto resizing. So finally we have fixed. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily fix VLC automatically resizing as soon as videos start playing in Windows, Mac and Linux PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.